Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact email or social provider tied to your Zooba profile, because support verifies identity quickly that way. Once done, note your device ID and the last time you logged in. These details reduce back and forth. Now open Zooba, navigate to Settings, then Account, and choose Help or Restore Account to start the automated request. You are doing this to trigger the recovery workflow that links saved progress to your verified credentials. Next, pick whether you'll recover via the original email or through the social login option. Pick what you still control for fastest recovery. Then fill the support form with the player name, approximate level, device ID, and any purchase receipts because these prove ownership. Make sure to attach clear screenshots of your old account screen or receipts. They reduce delays. By supplying specific proof, you help support confirm ownership and restore progress to the correct profile. Finally, submit the form and expect a reply within 24 to 72 hours. Check your spam folder and any linked social inboxes. If support asks for more information or denies the request, promptly resubmit with extra proof, additional receipts, screenshots, and exact timestamps, and explicitly ask for escalation if needed. Make sure to keep original account details and purchase records saved. They speed any follow-up. One key troubleshooting tip. If automatic recovery fails, insist on manual verification and send all incremental proof in one message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.